Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you want to improve your English speaking and listening skills in a natural way, you're in the right place.
Hi everyone. In today's video, you will listen to a real English conversation between two friends. This practice will help you learn everyday English expressions used in daily situations.
Try to listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking along with us. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
Remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes of daily listening and speaking can make a big difference.
So get ready to improve your English naturally.
Let's start today's everyday English conversation practice.
Hey Laura, it's been a few days. How have you been?
Hi Ben, I've been good, just a little busy with work. What about you?
Same here. This week felt really long. I had so many things to finish.
I know that feeling. Sometimes it feels like there aren't enough hours in a day.
Exactly. I tried to wake up earlier to be more productive, but it's not easy.
Oh, I tried that too. Did it work for you?
For a couple of days, yes. I felt fresh in the morning, but then I started sleeping late again.
That happens to me all the time. I think consistency is the hardest part.
True. By the way, how's your English practice going?
It's improving slowly. I try to speak in English every day, even when I'm alone.
That's a great idea. I sometimes talk to myself in English while cooking.
Really? What do you say?
Simple things like, now I'm cutting vegetables. Or I need more salt. It helps me think in English.
That's actually smart. I usually think in my native language first and then translate.
Yeah, I used to do that too. But speaking directly in English saves time.
I agree. I also started watching English videos without subtitles.
Was it difficult at first?
Very difficult. I couldn't understand everything, but now I catch more words.
That's progress. Understanding comes before speaking fluently.
Exactly. What do you usually do after work these days?
Mostly I relax, watch something online, or go for a short walk.
Walking sounds nice. It helps clear the mind.
Yes, especially after sitting all day. Do you exercise regularly?
I try to. I go for a jog 3 times a week, but sometimes I skip it.
Motivation comes and goes. Discipline matters more.
That's true. I feel better on days when I exercise.
Same here. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of visiting a bookstore. I want to buy an easy English novel.
That's a great idea. Reading improves vocabulary naturally.
Do you read books in English?
Yes, but I choose simple ones. If a book is too difficult, I lose interest.
That makes sense. Learning should feel enjoyable, not stressful.
Absolutely. Oh, have you tried speaking English with new people?
Not really. I feel a little shy sometimes.
That's normal. Everyone makes mistakes while learning.
I know, but I still worry about speaking incorrectly.
Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
You're right. I should focus on communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Communication is the goal.
By the way, what's your favorite way to learn new words?
I try to use new words in sentences immediately. That helps me remember them.
That's a good method. I usually write them in a notebook.
Writing helps too. Maybe you can also say them out loud.
I will try that. Speaking makes words feel more natural.
Yes. And repeating sentences improves pronunciation.
Sometimes I record my voice and listen to it later.
That's brave. I don't like hearing my own voice.
Neither do I, but it helps me notice mistakes.
Good point. Learning English really needs patience.
Definitely. Small progress every day makes a big difference.
So true. Even 10 minutes of practice daily helps a lot.
That's why conversations like this are useful.
Agreed. We should do this more often.
Yes, maybe we can choose a new topic every day.
Great idea. Tomorrow we can talk about travel or food.
I'd love that. Talking about food is always fun.
Especially when it makes you hungry.
Now I actually feel hungry.
Same here. Should we grab something to eat?
Sure. Let's continue our English practice while eating.
Perfect. Learning and eating, the best combination.
Absolutely. Let's go.
This place is nice. I haven't been here in a while.
Yes, it's quiet and comfortable. Perfect for talking.
So, what did you order?
Just a sandwich and coffee. I didn't want anything heavy.
Same here. I try not to eat too much at night.
That's a good habit. I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Me too, but it's hard to avoid fast food sometimes.
Especially when you're tired after work.
Exactly. Cooking feels like a big task after a long day.
Do you cook often?
Only on weekends. During weekdays, I prefer simple meals.
I enjoy cooking, but I don't always have the time.
Cooking can also be relaxing if you're not in a hurry.
That's true. I like listening to music while cooking.
That sounds nice. Music makes everything better.
By the way, do you practice English every day?
I try to, even if it's just 10 minutes.
What do you usually do for practice?
I listen to English podcasts while traveling.
That's smart. It saves time.
Yes, and it helps me get used to natural conversations.
I think listening is very important before speaking.
I agree. When you listen more, speaking becomes easier.
Sometimes I understand English, but I can't reply quickly.
That happens because your brain is still translating.
Yes, I need more speaking practice.
Maybe we should have English-only conversations from now on.
That's a great idea. It will push us to think faster.
Exactly. And we shouldn't worry about mistakes.
And slowly learning that mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
That makes me feel better.
So, do you have any goals for this month?
Yes, I want to improve my confidence while speaking English.
That's a good goal. Mine is to learn new words every day.
How many words?
Maybe 5 words a day. Not too many.
That sounds realistic. Small steps work best.
Exactly. Big goals can feel overwhelming.
True. I also want to read for at least 15 minutes daily.
Reading helps with sentence structure.
Yes, and it improves imagination too.
Do you prefer books or short articles?
Short articles for now. They feel easier to finish.
That's smart. Finishing something gives motivation.
Right. Otherwise, I lose interest quickly.
Same here. Consistency is more important than speed.
I completely agree.
By the way, do you ever feel nervous speaking English in public?
Sometimes, especially with strangers.
I used to feel that way too.
How did you overcome it?
I started speaking slowly and didn't rush my sentences.
That's good advice. Speaking slowly gives time to think.
Yes, and people understand you better.
I will remember that.
So, what should we talk about tomorrow?
Maybe travel experiences. Everyone likes talking about travel.
Good idea. We can share our favorite trips.
And learn new travel-related vocabulary.
Perfect for English practice.
I'm glad we started doing this regularly.
Me too. Learning together makes it easier.
And more fun.
Definitely. Okay, I think we should head home now.
Yes, it's getting late.
Same time tomorrow?
Sure. See you tomorrow, Ben.
See you, Laura. Have a good night. Hi, Laura. Good to see you again.
Hi, Ben. Good to see you too. How was your day?
It was busy, but productive. I finished my work early today.
That's great. I had a long day. So I'm glad we're meeting now.
Me too. Yesterday we said we would talk about travel, right?
Yes, I love talking about travel. Do you like traveling?
Absolutely. Traveling helps me relax and learn new things.
Same here. My favorite part is trying new food.
Food is definitely the best part of traveling.
What was your last trip?
I visited a hill station last year. The weather was cool and peaceful.
That sounds nice. I love places with nature and fresh air.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I think I prefer mountains. They feel calm and quiet.
I agree. Beaches are fun, but sometimes too crowded.
True. Traveling also helps improve English.
Really? How?
When you travel, you talk to new people and use English more naturally.
That's a good point. Real conversations teach a lot.
Exactly. Books teach grammar. But conversations teach confidence.
Well said. Do you like planning trips or spontaneous travel?
I prefer planning. I like knowing where I'm going.
I'm the opposite. I enjoy last-minute plans.
That sounds exciting but risky.
Maybe a little, but it makes travel adventurous.
So, where do you want to travel next?
I want to visit a place with mountains and lakes.
That sounds peaceful. I want to visit a new city and explore local culture.
Traveling also breaks our daily routine.
Yes, sometimes daily life becomes repetitive.
Speaking of routines, what's your morning routine like?
I usually wake up at 6:30, drink water, and go for a short walk.
That's healthy. I try to wake up early, but it's difficult.
Do you check your phone first thing in the morning?
Unfortunately, yes. It's a bad habit.
I used to do that too. Now I try to avoid it.
That's a good idea. Mornings feel calmer without screens.
Exactly. After my walk, I read something in English for 10 minutes.
That's a great habit. I should start doing that.
Small habits make a big difference over time.
True. What do you usually do after work?
I relax, cook dinner, and sometimes watch English videos.
I usually go for a walk or listen to music.
Walking helps clear the mind after a long day.
Yes, and it gives time to think.
Do you think about your future plans often?
Sometimes. I want to improve my skills and travel more.
That's a good goal. I want to become more confident in speaking English.
You're already improving a lot.
Thanks, Ben. Practice really helps.
Definitely. Consistent practice is the key.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully working less and enjoying life more.
That sounds like a good balance.
What about you?
I want to travel, meet new people, and keep learning new things.
That's a great mindset.
Life feels more interesting when you keep learning.
I completely agree.
I'm glad we started these daily conversations.
Me too. It makes learning English feel natural.
And not like studying.
Exactly. So, what should be tomorrow's topic?
Maybe daily problems and how we solve them.
Good idea. That's something everyone can relate to.
Perfect. See you tomorrow then.
See you tomorrow, Laura.
Bye, Ben.